The next major sin is being disrespectful to one's parents. Being kind to parents is widely known characteristic amongst Muslims, yet unfortunately many fail to fulfill this important duty. Allah, the Exalted, has placed being kind to parents next to solely worshipping Him in many places of the Holy Quran, such as Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 23.
And your Lord has decreed that you worship not except Him, and to parents good treatment. Whether one or both of them reach old age while with you, say not to them so much as uff, and do not repel them but speak to them a noble word.
In fact, this same verse prohibits Muslims to even utter a single word out of annoyance towards their parents. In another place of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, has combined being grateful to Him with being grateful to parents. Chapter 31 Luqman, verse 14.
Be grateful to me and to your parents.
Even though there are countless narrations commanding treating parents kindly, a single narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3662, is enough to understand its importance. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, answered someone who questioned what the rights of one's parents are by declaring that they are a child's paradise or hell. Meaning, if one treats their parents kindly for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, they may well be admitted into paradise because of it. But those who mistreat their parents may well be hurled into hell because of it. Even though, being obedient to parents, as long as it does not involve the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted, is very difficult. Especially, in this day and age, Muslims should try to remain patient and not argue with their parents. If a Muslim disagrees with them, they can and should still maintain respect for them at all times. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.